Well, it's the time of year again in Canada, and it's time to change our summer tires over to winter tires. So I've got 2 sets. They're both on rims. So let's get doing it. Okay, first things first, I gotta go over to the shed and get the tires out. Oh, I better get some gloves. Yeah, those will do. So these are Michelin X Ice, and they're 235 45 18s. They do have a direction on them, so when I rotate them I can only go rear to front and front to rear. I can't go diagonally. And whenever I put them away in the fall or in the spring, I always mark what side they came, or what tire they came off as. So that's passenger front, so it's going to go on passenger rear. So I'll have to jack up this side. And the nice thing about Teslas is you can actually jack up from one jacking point and get both wheels off the ground. So before I jack them up, I got to take these covers off, and then I got to loosen these off just with the breaker bar, because it's easier to do when it's sitting on the ground. So I might as well do all 4. And I think these are 21 millimeter bolts. Yep, 21. So this is a low profile jack. People say that you need these pucks with Teslas, but not actually true. You can do just fine with a regular jack. Just gotta get it in the right spot. There's a little circle there. So you can see both tires are off the ground because the body is so rigid. So you can jack it up and get both tires off the ground. Okay, now do the front. And I know it seems like when you're buying a set of winter tires, seems expensive to buy the rims as well. You don't have to buy fancy rims. These are a little bit fancier than I would normally buy, but you can just buy like steel rims and put them on, and it really does save a lot of time. Plus, every time I do this, I save about 50 bucks. So pays for the rims in basically 4 years. No, 2 years. The last one. So I snugged everything up with this impact gun, but then of course I'll have to torque everything down. Teslas go to 129 foot-pounds of torque on their lugs, so I've got a torque wrench for that. This is going to be the same procedure on all 4 tires, but in the interest of time, I'll just show you one. Just make sure that when you're tightening these down, you go in a star pattern so you get even pressure on all the lugs. So the last step is just to inflate the tires. I've got one of these portable battery powered inflators. Bullseye. My sister got that for me for Christmas, I think, and does a pretty good job. So I have the battery on the charger over here ready to go. I'll just plug that in and get them up to the right pressure. Okay, that's it. I'm done changing the tires. I started cleaning up my yard and prepping that for winter, so I'm a little, I got caught in the rain, so I'm a little wet. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.